Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the town we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung long guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm gonna show you something easy and fun that has been very trendy in Korea. Every time I share like a trendy recipe in Korea, you guys love it so much. So I decided to do it another one. Gyeranmari Kimbap, which is egg omelette kimbap. You know, when you're making kimbap, there's so many different ingredients you have to prepare and all that. But this one, you just need one, which is gyeranmari. Gyeranmari means egg omelette. That's it. Kimbap just made with the egg omelette. So simple, and I actually tried this. It was so delicious. I couldn't believe how delicious it was. So simple thing. I chop up 2 red chili. I just seeded it out and just chop it up. But if you are making this for your little toddler or little ones, go ahead and just use red bell pepper. This is really just for the color, and you know, I like little kick in any type of food that I'm eating. Okay, now I'm going to chop 5 to 6 green onions, depending on the size of the green onions. I'm just gonna go through with my knife to make sure all the green onions are nice and finely chopped. Green onion gives a nice, you know, oniony flavor and gives a nice, beautiful green color, which is I really love. And then I'm gonna cut up some carrots. So first time using tool. I just got this from Korean grocery store. Shred your carrots or other hardened vegetables like cucumber, zucchini, or whatever. So let's see how it goes. I mean, this does its job pretty fast, but I don't know if I can use all my carrots for this. Ooh, and be careful, I just cut myself a little bit. It's a cool tool. Show in the show. A little bit of a cooking tool hack and review time of Asian at Home. Okay, now the shredded carrot, I'm just going to chop it to little small pieces. I mean, this part is cool. You know what? At least that tool saved me some time to chopping carrots, or you could just purchase the shredded carrot and do the same thing. Lastly, this is Korean spam. Luncheon meat. Means luncheon meat. We will need a half can of this, which is about ½ pound. So we're gonna cut this spam. Has to be Korean spam though. This is my kick, my secret. Regular spam is a little too salty, but Korean spam is not as salty and a little more meatier, which is I really love. We're gonna cut them into all same size as other vegetables. You could skip this meat part if you wanna make this vegetarian version. You could use like any, you know, other things. I don't know what other things I would put. So, okay, in measuring cup, I'm going to add all these vegetables.
In there? Yeah, because you don't want to crack the egg in the vegetables.
Why?
What if you get a bad egg?
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Jacob got really good point of, oh, don't crack the egg into the vegetables. What if you have a bad egg? Well, I never had a bad egg before, but I appreciate your advice. You will need 12 large size eggs. You know, so me one-handed cracking egg, like 2, like this. I did it. It's a little messy, but I did it. So all my eggs are actually pretty good. So now I'm going to put teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Not too much of black pepper, just a little bit of black pepper. And a tablespoon of mirin. So this is totally optional. You don't have to add it if you don't have it. So it makes the egg a little more silkier and softer texture. You don't really have to, but I like to because I always like to go extra mile. Time to add all the vegetables and the ham that we chopped up earlier. The red chili, green onions, carrot. It's gonna be so beautiful. Egg is yellow. We have a green color from green onion and the red color from the red chili or red bell pepper if you're using that for your little ones. You cannot use red bell pepper for yourself. You have to use for the little one. Don't use it for yourself, but toughen up, eat some chilies. Oh, maybe this was like a little too much extra ham. There is a lot of ham. And Use your chopstick if you really want to be an Asian. I mean, if you really want to cook authentic Asian food in the kitchen. This will make 4 egg rolls. The size of egg rolls we're gonna make. So that means you're gonna make 4 kimbap. It's not a huge recipe as like my kimbap recipe right here. It's good to go. Now I'm gonna turn the heat of large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add a little bit of oil, about a teaspoon. And then I'm going to wipe with the paper towel all around of the pan. Pan is hot? Yeah, it is. Okay. Now we're gonna pour just enough to make a 1 thin layer on your pan. So that's about 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons of egg omelette mixture. Spread evenly like this. Oh yeah. Great. Turn the heat to low. You have to kind of keep adjusting the heat from the medium low to low, because it can be browned up a little bit, but I want to make sure it's fully cooked, but as light brown or yellow as possible, not like too much brown. So from outside, like far away from you, you start rolling the egg, just like this. And we will need to make about 2 to 3 layers. Send this all the way back. Have a little bit of a wing left. And don't worry, your egg roll is not perfect and you ripped apart, and don't worry, because we are actually going to shape in this bamboo thingy later, like shape tightly after they are cooked, so they don't have to look perfect right now. Pour the egg mixture. I think this is actually pretty good size. I don't like, like a little skinny egg roll in the kimbap. I want my egg roll to be nice and fat in my kimbap, you know what I mean? Whenever egg roll is about to be done, turn the heat to the lowest heat you can go, and then finish your cooking like this, about a couple of minutes. All right, I think my egg roll is nice and fully cooked. Place on, this kimbap roller, and we are gonna roll it as round shape as possible while they are hot. Just roll it like this. Tight as you can go, not super tight to break the egg roll, just tight as you can go, and just, leave it like this while you're cooking next batch. Okay, so I brought warm cooked, freshly cooked rice over here, 3 cups of it. Into the rice, I'm going to season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 8 teaspoons of black pepper. The rice need to be, seasoned too. And about 2 teaspoons worth sesame seeds. And 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix everything together. Okay, I think they're good to go. I'm gonna set aside right here with cover on. And we will need kim. This is a Korean seaweed, dried and toasted seaweed for kimbap. Wipe off this oil and the water moisture. Place 1 kim. There's a shiny side and there's a rough side up. About a cup of rice on the kim. And make sure you keep the rice covered. You don't want the rice to be dry out. And actually, one thing I forgot, in the little cold water to dip your finger. to spread your rice. If you dip your finger into the cold water, the rice wouldn't stick to your finger. Seonkyoung always have great tips for ya. Put the egg roll right in the middle. And then we're gonna roll it. Squeeze, squeeze. Ta-da! You don't need any glue for this end of the gim. When you just put the seam side down and keep it this way for a couple of minutes, by the moisture from the rice and the egg, it will stick the gim or the seaweed naturally. Okay, I'm gonna coat the kimbap with about a teaspoon of sesame oil all around like this. This will help to slice kimbap more easier, and also rest of the oil on the knife. Because we are slicing the rice, it will stick to the knife really easily. So oil them, oil the tool, and oil the food is quite important. Cheers!
Cheers.
I wanna eat the end part.
Me too.
짠!
짠.
So good.
It's amazing.
Right. So my mom made this 동치미.
Did you get that? Are you sweating?
It's a water radish kimchi. Vegan. Vegan.
It's pungent too. It'll clear your palate. Okay, let me try.
So good. I will share this recipe very soon. Super easy. The traditional way to make 동치미 is takes like 5 days or longer. This one day, bam, done.
It is pretty good.
I mean, it tastes same
Clean.
and it tastes the same as traditional one anyway. So I'm like,
Can you one of these?
짠.
That's a lot of eggs. We gonna eat all that? That's a dozen eggs, dude. Oh, that's good.
We should do it like this. The real mukbang. Nowadays, this is kind of an epic thing, is the real mukbang. You just ate the egg.
Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Be careful. This feels so weird. I know it's the same thing. It's like eating a burrito.
Kimbap burrito.
It's like a kimbap breakfast burrito.
Breakfast burrito.
Oh my god, they're so good. I'm trying to get full. Oh. Yeah, let me get some of that too. That'll help.
Guys, if you liked my Gyeranmari Kimbap, Korean egg roll kimbap, please give this video a thumbs up. So simple, so delicious. The ingredients are so easy to get. Definitely try one of the trendy Korean food you can have at home, wherever you're living. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. And subscribe my channel if you haven't. Do not miss out any of these delicious, fun recipes that you can get for free. I'm thinking about it. It is free. Yeah, you guys are getting for free all my recipes. Nah.
But if you want to spend your money on something,
Merchandise, support, guys, support. Love and support. Join the club.
different
Love you
colors
guys.
to it.
Love you guys.
Not just black on black.
And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast.
I'm Jacob Longest. I'm making sure I don't have any.
You good? I just burped while you were doing that.
I smelled it.
From the radish kimchi. And this is Asian at Home. And we will see you next time.
Hey, apparently they like the Asian at home thing too.
Yeah, they just was supporting
They
like
were
a ping
supporting.
ping. Yay! If you ever make my recipe, go ahead and take a picture, ching 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 ching, and tag me Seonkyoung Longast on Instagram and Facebook so I can shout out.
Wrong pipe. Wrong pipe. Cut.
Love you guys. Bye.
Oh my gosh, that's a wrap.
Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine, and I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you, and when you go, you leave me here all alone. be waiting